Well, like they say in Brooklyn, early to bed, early to catch the worm. Or is it the bagel?
Worm's good. Tell Yoshi bedtime story now. Tell how Luigi find Yoshi and Yoshi rescue Princess.
Okay. Well, it all started when Mario, the princess, and I came to Dinosaur World for a vacation. We'd banished King Koopa from Princess Toadstool's Mushroom Kingdom, but he'd found a way to escape into the Dinosaur World. And when we got to Dome City, the place was deserted. Koopa football players grabbed the princess. Mario was attacked by a Koopa wizard and a Magnum Bill.
I won my fight!
Beautiful day for flying!
Oh, hours, long time.
Well, it seemed like hours. Anyway, I was falling. Nothing below me but boiling lava. Good thing I found a magic balloon. Whoa! Luckily, a skull raft came by.
Skulls? Skulls mean bad medicine.
Well, these skulls were good medicine for me.
Perilous plane of panic! What a beautiful day for flying! I hope you're all enjoying the flight as much as I am!
But we'll fall into space and be lost forever.
Careful where you point that thing.
Are you sure a good tickle wouldn't sound anything?
I refuse to go. Don't disagree with them, Mr. Rude. We don't want a bunch of angry aliens on our hands.
Oh dear. Curse my app that inventing.
What?
Perilous plane of panic! What a beautiful day for flying! I hope you're all enjoying the flight as much as I am!
Alright, so now that's done, we can go on with this as long as all goes well.
Hey, I know we didn't talk much, but thanks for the hospitality while we were here.
Hey, no problem, man.